Hello and welcome to another episode. This episode is about the NFC key card. This one I had to import from the USA from Kia Parts store on eBay. The problem with the eBay one is you're limited to the choice of courier to the UK, and that puts a lot of money on the price. It's $27–25 before taxes in America, and by the time you put carriage on top and VAT and everything else, and the credit card fee, it was £68. So not the cheapest thing to import. But if you want the thing badly enough, I guess you've got no choice unless there's somewhere in Europe you can get these from. Anyway, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to set this key card up, also how to delete it and how to use it. Right, to set up the NFC card key, you'll need the NFC card key on the pad, like that. Leave that there. You'll also need your two Kia smart keys, which I'll put next to it, like that. And then set up, vehicle, digital key, NFC card key, save. Card key has been saved. And the number appears there. And then from then on, you can just use it to open the doors, lock the doors, and start the car. Anyway, there's an NFC sensor in each of the door handles, and it's on the end there. So if you tap the card there, you see it'll open. If you tap it there again, I didn't even have to touch that. It's just got to be close enough, so and the same on the other side. There's a sensor in the passenger side. And to start it with the key card, just put it on the NFC charger pad there. I've actually got my charger turned off because I don't use it. I've read that it can affect the chip if you leave it on there. But you're only supposed to put it on there whilst you start and then take it off. So put that on there and then start in a normal way. And then take it off. If I open the door, it'll say start it with NFC key, like that. And the passenger door, I'm not going to even touch it, I'm just going to get close. That's very short range. Right, to delete the digital key, you'll do this if you're selling the car and you want to use the NFC card key in a different car for the future. Then you need to press Setup, Vehicle, Digital Key. And then go into NFC card key and delete. And you can also enable and disable the NFC feature by turning that on and off there. Delete card key. Card key must be present to proceed. Okay, so I've put that on the pad. Try again. Okay, that must mean the car keys. It wants the two car keys, or at least one car key. Right, one car key. Try again. Delete. Car key has been deleted. Right, so it's as easy as that. It comes with a little plastic pouch, which I keep it in to protect it. I keep it in the side of my wallet, which has got no credit cards in, because if you put it in the side with credit cards in, the NFC chips in those interfere with the thing and it won't work. But it works through my wallet on the one side. Some people buy NFC blocking wallets, but it's very low probability that you'll get hacked because it's such a short range thing. It relies on short, close proximity. So it's completely up to you. But for convenience for me, I keep it in my wallet. I can take it out. It works better out the wallet than it does in the wallet. You don't even have to touch it when it's out. I hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching.